Make the most viral ideas yours. Have you ever seen an ad on TikTok that just made you stop scrolling? Maybe it was a funny dance challenge, a catchy song, or a product that you just had to have. Whatever it was, it captured your attention and made you want to watch more. Well, guess what? You can create ads like that too. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional video editor or have a huge budget. All you need is TikTok's Creative Center. Hey everyone, Harry here from Felix Media AI. Are you ready to level up your digital marketing and increase your AI knowledge? Subscribe to Felix Media. We've got playlists packed with tips for driving traffic, building a loyal following, and becoming a market research pro. Let's crush those goals together. Now, are you ready to learn how to create a viral ad with TikTok's Creative Center? First, what is the Creative Center? TikTok's Creative Center is a free tool that helps you create high-performing ads. It gives you access to a library of trending sounds, hashtags, and videos, as well as tools to help you track your results. Let's see how it works. First, you have to go to ads.tiktok.com and create an account, either by connecting your TikTok account or making a new one from scratch. I connected my profile, and I'm already in. Here we are going to find 3 sections. In this one, you can find inspiration, tips, and tutorials that will help you if you don't know what to post anymore. In the middle one, you can find the most viral trends, like sounds, songs, hashtags, and trends. All these options are super useful for content creators, but the one that matters to us right now is going to be the first option. Here we are going to be able to spy on the creators that are breaking on TikTok, and best of all, you can personalize it. For this example, we're going to use HypoAir, one of the brands we manage at Felix Media. Here we see some filters. In the first one, we select our country. In the next one, we select our industry, which in my case will be health. You can add more filters in this section, but we will leave it like this for now. You can add more if you want. Below are other important filters I prefer to select by CTR, which is the click-through rate. That is, the percentage of users who saw the ad and clicked on it. And here they are, the best ads in your industry. You can see them for inspiration, discover the best hooks, but there are more. If you have already seen one that you think could work for your brand, click on it. And now you will have all the information of this ad, such as its objectives, its performance, CTR, and more useful statistics. And even at the bottom, you will have suggestions of similar videos if you want to continue looking for inspiration. But we won't stop here. Let's create our viral ad at once. I'll show you the best part of the Creative Center, which is the creative assistant that you find on the right side. You can ask this virtual assistant to make you an ad very similar to this one, but for your brand. I'll show you how, step by step. First, let's ask, why did this ad we chose work so well? It gives us several reasons that can serve as a guide for future ads. And here in Suggested Questions, it gives us the option to create a similar script. We click on it, and first of all, it will ask us for more information about our brand and product to generate the script. I already prepared this information, so I will only paste it, and now it begins to generate the script. It gives us everything: hooks, captions, voiceover. But this does not end here. In the Suggested Questions, we find more options. We can, for example, create an audio with this script. But even better, let's create an avatar. So we click on this option and wait, because here it takes a little while, but no more than 2 minutes. And that's it. Let's see how it looks.
Say goodbye to mold and bacteria in your bathroom with the Mold Guard Air Purifier. The Mold Guard is perfect for small spaces like bathrooms and medical operatories, covering up to 100 square feet. It's designed to tackle biological contaminants and PM 2.5 without any lifetime replacement parts. Plus, it reduces certain viruses, bacteria, and mold on hard surfaces, making it safe and hypoallergenic. Purify your space and protect your health. Learn more about the Mold Guard at hypoair.com.
Wow, we almost have our video, and it is completely free. Now we only need to add photos or videos of our product and the captions that TikTok already gave us in the script. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create ads with the help of the Creative Assistant. I really recommend you to explore the Creative Center. It has a lot of tools that will help you to take your account to the next level. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, be sure to follow Felix Media AI. We have a ton of resources to help you grow your business.